Hi, I'm DJ Graffius. I'm administrator of the Old Hemlock Foundation. I had the pleasure of being friends with George Bird Evans and his wife Kay. They have many facets to their life. They started their careers as artists. We're pleased to work with them at Morgantown History Museum to share his pulp art that was published in cosmopolitan magazines in the 30s and 40s. Old Hemlock Foundation is located in Brandonville, West Virginia. Our main mission is to provide scholarships for medical students and students of Brewston School and some other charities that we have in Preston County. Today's exhibit will share some of the original prints that George had done duplicates of. The originals were used in Cosmopolitan magazine, and George actually telecommuted from Brandonville to New York, and he painted a second copy in case one was lost in the mail. So we have those editions of Old Hemlock, and we're pleased to display them here at the museum today.
I'm very happy to have this exhibit out at the Morgantown History Museum. It's another example of how the Morgantown History Museum cooperates with other organizations in the area to bring exhibits to the museum and give them the opportunity to exhibit their displays. The exhibit will open this Thursday at 7 p.m. with a reception, and it will can be seen till through November 14th.